guide you on Hi all. Today we are here to guide you on how to unbox, assemble and install the KUHL Inspira P1, a perfect blend of style and functionality. Operating on just 24 watts of power compared to traditional 80-watt fans, it not only provides powerful airflow but also ensures energy efficiency. Let's show you how to unbox, assemble and install it. Use a sharp object like a knife, cutter or scissors to open the box. Here are the contents of the box. Fan remote with AAA pencil cells and warranty card. Support pipe. Rear and front guards with plastic ring. Fan blade. Fan base. Motor cum panel unit. Now let's move on to the assembly process. Please make sure to keep screwdriver within reach. Assemble the pole assembly onto the base with the help of the 4 screws provided. Remove the nut on the pole assembly and place the cap on the base through the pole assembly to cover the screws. Now put the plastic nut back. Loosen the plastic nut on the support tube and pull the height adjustable pipe out. Loosen the knob behind the panel unit. Insert the motor and panel assembly onto the pole assembly and tighten it back with the knob. From the motor assembly, unscrew the blade nut by turning it clockwise and the rear guard nut by turning it anti-clockwise. Assemble the rear guard onto the motor assembly. There are 3 pins on the motor and 3 holes on the guard. Insert the holes into the pins. Then tighten with the guard nut. Assemble the blade onto the motor shaft. Ensure that the slots in the blade hub insert onto the pin on the motor shaft. Finally, retighten the blade nut by turning it anti-clockwise. Turn the blade by hand and ensure it is not touching the rear guard. In case it touches, disassemble the rear guard, place it on the floor and press the central part of the guard by hand. Reassemble and check again. If still touching, repeat the above. Insert the plastic ring onto the rear guard. Assemble the front guard onto the rear guard by stretching and overlapping the plastic ring over the front guard. You can turn the fan face up and down using your hands. In case the face comes back by spring action, tighten the screw given on the side. The fan can be controlled either via the panel or the remote. Adjust the fan speed and mode using the corresponding buttons. Swing the fan by pressing the swing button on the panel or the remote. Thank you for choosing KUHL stylish fans. We hope you enjoy the comfort and style they bring to your space.